Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw the Hot Wheels monster truck Tiger Shark. If you guys have any other monster trucks you want to see me draw, definitely let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to draw them for you. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with our Hot Wheels monster truck Tiger Shark, let's begin with the window. So we're going to start right here and let's just go ahead and just make a small little curve that's just going to kind of come up and down. Then let's go ahead and make a line across here. Now I'm going to bring this line up and then I'm going to bring it down. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm going to bring this line all the way back down to here. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to curve this up and then down to here. I'm going to take this line. We're going to bring this down to about here. Then we're going to curve up and down to here. Next, we're going to bring this across. Now, right up here, we're going to make the top of the truck, so we're just going to draw a nice curved line across. Then we're going to put a little shark fin up here. So let's go ahead and make a line that's going to come up with a curve, and then we're going to bring this down for that shark fin. Let's go ahead and put a smaller shark fin right here. Then starting here, let's go ahead and bring this line up and out for the tail. We'll go ahead and bring it down and let's put a little notch in it like this. We'll bring this down with a curve. Then we'll bring this back up here for the tail. Now, right inside here, we got to make two really big tires. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a nice big circle shape like this. Then we're going to come over here. We're going to try to make this one about the same size. And it's okay if they're not perfect. Just want to try your best. Now, inside of these, I'm going to draw a circle shape. And then I'm going to make a smaller circle shape right inside of here. Same thing on this one. We'll go ahead and make a nice little circle shape. And then right inside of there, just go ahead and make a smaller one. Now, before we go any further, I want to add a little bit of detail onto here. So let's start with the eye for Tiger Shark. So I'm going to make this line kind of curve down. Then I'm going to make a curve right here for the eye. We'll put a little bump in here. We'll color in most of it, leaving a tiny bit white. We're going to kind of color in this a little bit, and then we're going to draw a line that's just going to come down here, and we can kind of color in this just to make the eye look kind of dark around there. We're going to make a little stripe here and then another bigger stripe right here. Now over here, we're just going to make a line that's just going to come down for the nose. And we'll put a little dot in there for some detail. Next, right here, we're going to draw a curved line here. And then we're going to put some sharp pointed teeth in here. We can make a couple little lines in here for some detail on the front. Then we can make some stripes. Let's make some curvy stripes. We'll put one here. We'll put one here, and then we'll put another one back here. We'll even put two lines here and two lines here. We'll make a little wiggly line here, and a wiggly line that comes down and up for another stripe. Then we'll put a line here and here for a stripe. I'm also going to make a couple little bumpy lines here just to kind of show that there are more teeth kind of painted on the inside part. Now, right here, let's go ahead and draw 2 lines that come up. And let's put 2 lines inside. We'll do a line across the top. We'll put a line here and a line right here. Let's go across here. We'll make a little rectangle shape like this. Then we'll make 2 lines here and 2 lines here. We can make another little rectangle shape and put a little line here and here. We can also do a little line that's going to go up, over, and down, and then a couple more little lines in there for some detail. We can even make 2 lines across here and some little circles in there for some parts. The final thing we want to do is let's make these little smiley face shapes that are going to go all around here. And these are going to just kind of be the tread of the tire. Instead of trying to draw the tread and make it look really 3D, we'll just kind of put these on here, and this is a nice simple way to add some fun detail. So we're just going to put these all around the tires. And there you go, there is your drawing of Tiger Shark from Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.